Hello, my name is Aaron Wilson. I'm a junior biological sciences major, chemistry minor from Virginia Tech in Blacksburg, Virginia. I'm applying to dental schools this upcoming June 2013. I believe that I'm very competitive for this Crack the DAT scholarship because I recently took my DAT this past June and scored a 23 academic average, putting me in the 98.7th percentile, and a 22 on the perceptual ability section of the DAT. I give a lot of credit to the Crack the DAT program for my success on the perceptual ability section. I have completed numerous hours of community service, volunteering at our local free clinic, as well as shadowing various dentists. Most recently, I completed a 6-week summer program at UCLA, which gave me exposure to the facilities, including 2 of the dental labs and a tour of the clinic. I am currently taking 22 credits, taking courses including physics, biochemistry, and biological statistics, on top of others. All of this on top of the undergraduate research that I've started in the field of bioorganic chemistry. Thank you for your consideration.